Does this look similar to your website? Well, in today's video, I will show you how you can optimize your images and make your website load in a snap. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you would like to check out the tool, then you can do so from the discount link in the description. Images are the current hooks and are crucial when it comes to a website loading time. We cannot just throw in a 50 megabyte image to our website and expect it to load faster. That results in users clicking away from your website even before it loads. Fun fact, it costs 1% of revenue to Amazon for every 100 millisecond increase in page loading time, which means 10% revenue loss in just 1 second. Gone. So we have to fix this issue as soon as possible. To stop this, we need a plugin to optimize these images to similar size yet maintaining good quality level. We should also convert these images to WebP format. For those who don't know, it's an image format developed by Google. As you can see from this image, it makes images significantly smaller without noticeable difference in quality of the image. There are a lot of plugins that do this, but me and a lot of people use EWWW Image Optimizer. As you can see, it has 1 million plus active installations. Let's get to the back end of our WordPress and see how to optimize our images. So let's head to the plugins, simply install and activate. Once you do, go to its settings. Here we just need to tick these two options and click next. It takes us to the settings, which is very simple. Doesn't require much technical knowledge. There are a couple of options that we can play with. We have an option to remove metadata. You must enable lazy loading. This option will load only images visible in the window first and load other images when the user scrolls down. It results in saving huge loading time. Next, we must enable WebP conversion. Essentially, this will convert all of our images. We can set the max width and height as well. Below that, we have the option to back up our images. You should do it in case you want to revert things. Just save settings and we are done. Now every new image we upload will be automatically optimized. For existing images, we can go to Bulk Optimizer and run it from there. Click on Scan and it will search for all the images. And once it's completed, we can simply optimize them all. Now it will take a couple of minutes depending on your images. It takes around 2 to 3 seconds for each image on average, which is quite fast. Also, the images are being reduced by 60 to 80%. So this image right here is 5 MB in size and you can see the resolution. If I just upload it here, now it's optimized. As you can see, it's now 234.3 KB and it's in WebP format. About 76% reduction means a potential increment of around 330% in loading speeds. Those were all the features we get with the free version. Now they also have a paid plan which offer better compression ratio. I did compress the same image and it compressed it to 80%. Along with that, you can compress PDFs, has cloud backup, auto scaling, watermark option, CDN, ability to minify JavaScript and CSS, optimizes font, etc. The price might set back some people for a second, but I will suggest you to get it from the link below in the description, as they give the plugin for $99 of a one-time purchase. So you buy once and forget it. And it's not a paid promotion, worry not. Make sure to check out the requirement as they have 200 GB of monthly bandwidth on the base plan, so you should buy accordingly, and they have a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you didn't like it, return it. Plus they have deals from time to time, like when I bought it from their deal, it was like $49, so make sure to check it out from the description below before you buy it. To me, it's a great plugin. It optimizes the existing images and new images automatically. That makes the site like a rabbit. So I highly recommend this plugin. And what else do I highly recommend is leveling up your social media game, and this video will certainly help. And here's my recent video. That's it for today. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe, bye.